Okay, let's get this kitchen clean. Do some dishes. Okay. Now, next thing I need to do is thaw out the turkey. Frozen turkey, put it in the pan on the counter, and now we're just going to wait for it to thaw. I guess I'll clean the butcher block, bro. Okay, Thanksgiving Day. What do you say we cook a turkey? First things first, get the kitchen clean. Now that we've got the turkey thawed out, I'm gonna have to open it up, get it ready to cook. And let's see. Here we go. Cooking instruction: remove wrapper, preheat oven to 350, place turkey breast right side up, resting on a plate. Okay, so turn on the oven. 350 degrees. Okay. Open this guy up. Got the Detroit Thanksgiving Day Parade. Here comes the band. And since I don't want to waste too much disk space, I'm going to switch to time lapse. Okay, let's go time lapse. Okay, now we're going to make some Harvard Beets. Pan, can of beets, cornstarch, a little sugar, some water, a little vinegar, dash of salt, and a dash of pepper. And let's get started. Okay, take the good book and put it on the side. Gonna make some biscuits. These are real simple. Buy these in the grocery store, frozen. Swap on the cookie sheet. And we can use 4. That's it. Pop them in the oven for 20 minutes. that? Where's the biscuit?
The dance team ain't
And now for the big moment.
But they sure
Get that
do look.
turkey out. Should be done.
Boy Scouts. Hey. Here comes the high school band.
Hey, and there's one well-cooked turkey. And it looks like lungs are done. Enough. I think they've been 20 minutes. Here's a trick my sister taught me. There. That needs to cool at least 10 minutes. Okay. It is a blustery day outside. I don't know why they call it Black Friday and